Good afternoon, second standard. How are you all? Before we start the class, let's say the prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and pray. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Amma, Achan, Teacher, Devam. ഇവര് നാലാളെയും റെസ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അവര് പറഞ്ഞത് കേൾക്കണം. Alright? Okay. So please open your textbook, page 80, and this is what you will see. So today we're going to look at some rhyming words. Okay. So these words in red, adinte rhyming words aanu namukku ezhudandadu. But avare namukku easy aakkan vendite they have given you the words here. Okay. So there's a boy here and they are saying this is his head. This is his chest. This is his knee and this is his toe. Okay. All right. So just a moment. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. There is a cricket on my, because it has to rhyme with no. Can it be head? No. Chest? No. Knee? No. Toe. Okay, so you write toe here. E. See, the spelling need not be the same. For rhyming words, it should sound the same. The sound should be the same. So, oh no, there's a cricket on my toe. The next one. Oh, poor me. There's a cricket on my head, on my chest, on my knee. So when you put a certain, the sound of long E is E, okay, the name of the word itself, a name of the letter itself. So there's a cricket on my knee. K-N-E-E. Okay. Oh, poor me, there's a cricket on my knee. Let's see, it's rhyming. Oh, this cricket's such a pest. Pest parna? It's something that troubles you a lot. Okay? ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സാധനം. Now it's sitting on my head ആവാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Toe കഴിഞ്ഞു, knee കഴിഞ്ഞു. What is the next one? Chest. So you write chest here. C-H-E-S-T. The last one. Did you hear what I said? There's a cricket on my head. Okay, so this cricket, which is we know is an insect, it's jumping from one part of the body to the next. So from the toe it jumped to the knee, then to the chest, now to the head. Okay. So oh no, there's a cricket on my toe. Oh poor me, there's a cricket on my knee. Oh, this cricket's such a pest. Now it's sitting on my chest. Did you hear what I said? There's a cricket on my head. Okay. So just sharpen your pencil, write today's date on the left hand side and fill in these words. Alright. That's it for today, second standard. Enjoy yourself. And on Monday, I'll send you a lovely song, which is this one. And I hope you like it. Alright? Okay then. Take care. Bye. Jai Hind.